Hello everyone, welcome in, welcome back. My name is Ariel and today is day 20 of my 25 days of Christmas playlist, and today I am going to share with you guys my home decor tour for Christmas this year, and it's featuring a lot of DIY projects that I did. Okay, so I'm starting off with my Christmas tree. I do have a video on my 25 days of Christmas playlist. That playlist will be linked below. It is the Decorate With Me video, and I also have a video in that playlist where I DIY'd a lot of the ornaments that you see on my tree. So if you're interested in how I decorated this tree or the ornaments that I created, then you can check out those videos below. And the tree collar that you see was actually also a DIY, and that is also in the playlist. And also, I was able to decorate this entire tree for under $30, and that includes the cost of all the materials that I needed to make my DIY ornaments. So that's definitely worth checking out if you're interested in how to decorate a tree on an extreme budget. This was decorated for under $30. Okay, so I am all about being on a budget on my channel. I share DIY, budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, and those sorts of things. So these Christmas stockings I actually got from Ollie's for around $2 each, which I thought was an amazing price. I mean, the lowest price I've seen for stockings this year everywhere else has been like $5 or $10, but I got those for just $3, and they're really good quality. I also DIY'd the vases. These lovely red vases are actually, they cost me nothing. They are a recycled DIY project, and that video is also in my playlist. And the florals inside are from Dollar Tree. Those are all Dollar Tree florals, and I probably had like about I would say 4 or 5 picks in each vase. And this sign is also a DIY. It's a double-sided sign, and that is also a DIY that's a part of the playlist this year. This wreath here is a thrift flip. I got the wreath originally for about $5, and it had this brass trumpet on it. So I did do a DIY on my channel for that as well. Here's my Christmas village. A lot of the houses I actually thrifted and did a DIY on. So as I go over these houses, I will show pictures of the ones that I thrifted, what they looked like before, because I actually thrifted these a while ago and I don't really have video of me DIYing these on my channel. This house is actually handmade by me. It's just a little scrap wood project. I have a video up on my channel of some other ideas for how to make a Christmas village with scrap wood as well, and that's a part of the playlist also. This little house is from the Dollar Tree this year, and I just made a little wreath out of a garland tie for it. This is that other gingerbread house that I showed you a little bit earlier in this video. And that set of 2 houses was actually from TJ Maxx. I think I paid $3.50 for each of the houses, and I ended up sanding them completely down to bare wood and then added on the paint. This is another Dollar Tree Christmas Village house that I spray painted white, added a little wreath ornament to the back of, and then hand painted the roof in the gold. And this is a recipe box that I thrifted for about $2. I sprayed the roof with a wall texture to get that nice texture on there, and then spray painted that part gold and the rest of the house white, and added a garland tie wreath. All of my little bottle brush trees are actually from the Dollar Tree. I got this little galvanized house from the Target dollar spot. I want to say I paid maybe $3 for it. And this is just another scrapwood village house. I'm pretty sure I built this using a leg from an IKEA dresser. And this is some flocked garland. I got just a plain flocked garland from Walmart a couple years ago, and I think I paid either $10 or $20 for it. This year I added in some fairy lights, and I added the pine cone clips. I think those are from, I want to say they're from Hobby Lobby or Joann's. And then I added a string of the mini pine cone garland from the Dollar Tree. This wooden house actually used to be a birdhouse that I thrifted for about $2 and made it into a village house. And I also DIY'd these two wreaths right here, just using a plain flocked wreath from Michael's. If you guys like budget-friendly DIY projects, then please consider subscribing and like this video and comment below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday.